Hello guys. So we finally got the beehive all sorted out. My mom got freaking worried and crazy about everything. She's in there. Come on, get out of the way. And it's over there. There's not much bees coming out of it now because they all come out around 7 o'clock. But I don't know if you can see it. See? There's not. See, they're all. Whoa. We're all coming out. Those stupid grasshoppers like to eat all our plants. Look what they did, dude. Like, all those holes in there. Made a little pond for the bees, and they love it. They drink out of it all the time. Yeah, it's pretty much a rundown of the beehive. We're not gonna get honey this year, because we at least need two of these on there. At least need two of these on the beehive if we want honey. So, yeah, we've just been working on that. Me and my brother slept in a tent for 3 nights. That was funny. Our cat ran into it. Stupid cat. And we're gonna be taking down these sheds apparently. But there's bumblebees that live in here, and these were grow sheds. So when we moved here, they were full of weed, and we weren't. Oh, they smell horrible. I'm getting alright. Jeez. We have to take them down, and me and my brother and Vickers just graffitied the whole entire wall. Oh, there's the bumblebee. You see him? He's a bumblebee. Where are you? There he is. Oh! He's flying around me. He's big. What? We graffitied this whole entire wall. That bumblebee. Well, I'm out. Just giving you guys an update on the beehive and stuff. Watch out. Bye.